no, you don't know anything about the future perfect. Is it true? What a shame! Okay, so my name is Mr. Mark, I'm an English teacher, and I'm going to make you learn everything about the future perfect today. Okay, so let's get started. Look at the board. There are two ways of using the future perfect. It's questions, and I'm going to tell you about questions, and I'm going to tell you about the negative forms of using the future perfect. So how to use the future perfect? What is the formula of using the future perfect? So look at the board. So it's a person. So it's like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, plus will, plus have, and plus past participle. So what is past participle? So it's the verb in the third form. So for example, do, did, done. Do, did, done. So let's write do, did, done, and we take what? We take the third form. So we are interested in done. Alright? So in some regular verbs, we have just ed at the end of the verb. For example, play, played. Alright? So we are interested in the third form. So let's move on to the first way of using the future perfect. First way. So it's a completed action before something in the future. Completed action before something in the future. So let's move on to the example. By the time you come, I will have finished my class. So don't forget to use will, have, and plus finished, and the ed, because finish we put in the third form. In the third, not second, but third. Alright, so do you understand how it works? So let's draw a graph over there. And let's imagine that here is a now. Here I will have finished my class. So it's a class. Finished, my class is finished. And here it's you come. So in the future, you come. So by the time you come, I will have already finished my class. Alright, so first is to finish my class in the future, and then you'll come and you'll see that I will have finished my class.